Lawyers today are drowning in tech. Emails here, cases there, tasks, somewhere between a sticky note and a WhatsApp message from your client at 2 a.m. We wanted to fix that, so we built LegalOS. Your law practice finally organized. But here's the part that confuses people. We didn't make an app, no fancy login, no dark mode dashboard with 73 onboarding screens. Instead, we built it on Notion. Because Notion is simple, flexible, and unlike most legal tech, doesn't cost the same as your Netflix, gym, and bar dues combined. Built by Raghav, a lawyer for over 8 years who now designs systems for lawyers who'd rather practice law than chase checklists. Building it on Notion meant no development bills, no $200 a month price tag, and no clunky updates every time the UI decides to reinvent itself. You get one clean system that feels like yours. And cost per month? Well, almost nothing. This isn't a product, it's your practice, with less chaos, more control, and way fewer Excel sheets. Start free. Upgrade when you're ready. It's time to have your law practice finally organized.